Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Ms. Roma Kadir, and today our topic is to understand the national differences in political economy. Now, what is national differences? As we know that every nation is different from other nation because of having different cultures, different priorities, different setup, another way we can say different systems. When cultures are different, so it means different practices are going to be happen in different nations. How are we going to differentiate all the nations? So differentiation basically focus on PEL. It means every nation is different from other nation because PEL is different from each other. What is PEL? P stand for political system, E stand for economic system, and L stand for legal system. Every nation has different political system. Political system means they have different cultures. They have different kind of government practice going on over there. So when culture is different, so culture having a major impact on all kind of dealings. And what is economic system? Economic system means what kind of market exists over there, what kind of economy that nation have. Either economy is developing or developed or underdeveloping. So we have to go through all this. And what is legal system? Legal system means every nation have different legal system. For example, some countries follow common law, some follow civil law, and some follow Islamic law. Other way we can theocratic law. So because of these legal systems are different, so definitely business practices are going to be different in different countries. So this is very important to understand these differences before we're going to launch any kind of business in other nation, because we believe until unless we don't respect or understand other nation system or culture, we not basically run the business in a good way. So this is what the basic differences or national differences in political economy. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if concepts are clear. Thank you once again.